Ready?
Struts are almost clean. One more pass.
All right, easing this bolt out. Copy. I'll clean the valves. Good. Piston next. Valves clean. Ready. All right, casing part now. This section is ready for the contour check. Good. I'm filling the low spot now. Sanding complete. Surfaces are flush. Perfect. Move to the next panel. This compound is really bringing out the shine. Yeah, the finish is transforming. Almost there. Time for the final buff. Look at that gleam. Panel alignment looks perfect. Yes, and the reflections are flawless. Excellent. Let's sign off.